Welcome to Alkimi Labs. Let's walk you through creating an account and connecting to the new standard of programmatic advertising. Before we begin, ensure you're using Google Chrome with a Sui wallet extension installed. Slush or Phantom work perfectly. Open your browser and navigate to labs.alkimi.org. In the top right corner, click Connect Wallet. Select Sui to connect your primary wallet on the Sui network. Choose your wallet from the available options. This will trigger your wallet extension to open automatically. In your wallet extension, approve the connection request and provide your digital signature when prompted. Enter your account password to secure your access. Provide your full name and email address for account verification. Enter your account password once again to verify identity. Next, you'll see your secret recovery phrase. Copy this and store it somewhere safe. This phrase is your only way to recover your account. Confirm your secret phrase by entering the words in the correct sequence. Take your time here. Check your email for a 6-digit verification code and enter it to confirm your registration. Success! Your Alkimi Labs account is now active, with your Sui wallet set as the primary connection. You're ready to experience transparent, efficient, and yield-generating advertising.